guys! Hi guys! I'm a Simon Fast too. Woohoo! I'm on a coconut tree. Woo! Where the other? Where my friend? Please help me to search them. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I see something. Woohoo! I'm a darple on a taro. This is a taro tree. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh. Hello, fine area. Oh. Come on. Let's search the other. I see you, Simon. Simon, behind leaf. Come on. I see a blue one. I see a mushroom. White mushroom and blue sky. Hui. Whoa! Who is this? I think it's a garnold. Hi, garnold. On a banana leaf. Banana tree, guys. It's awesome. Ooh, that's just Oren and Mr. Sun. Come on. Whoa. Orange and Mr. Sun. Ooh, that's awesome. Let's search the other. Where are you, Sprunki? Whoa. Look behind the stone. Woohoo! I think Tanner here. And who is this? Come on, Clap. Why are you hiding on a banana tree again? Come on, guys. Look what we have. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! So much, Sprunki. Bye.